You are an expert in what you teach. Life coach, business coaching, health, relationship. You know your stuff deep enough and you can actually transform your audience. But when it comes to AI, you feel like you are left behind. You feel like everyone else has figured out this secret language, but you don't even have a manual with yourself. So either you completely avoid it or you fall into the trap of buying prompts package. You pay 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees, even more for getting your hands on those prompts that you can copy paste in AI and get the output that you desire. But when you do that, the results are still hollow, still generic, and it's written like it can be done for everyone else. But not anymore. After this video, you will know exactly the one move that can make every conversation that you have with Claude to give you the best results that you desire. The output, the sales copy, the content, the real script, whatever you want will give you, the result will be as good as when you give a detailed prompt or even better. But to make it happen, first we must know what exactly makes Claude or a tool like ChatGPT give you the best output so that we can reverse engineer and make sure that Claudes give the best output even if we don't know a P of prompting. So how do we know that? Let's ask ChatGPT only what makes AI give us the best results. I have asked it and here's what it answered. You are not bad at prompting, you are just being vague. Means we are being vague with our jumbled thoughts. We have many things that we want, but we are not able to clearly communicate to it. So the real game for tools like ChatGPT and Claude is they predict from your inputs. So when your input is blurry, your output is blurry. Garbage in, garbage out. So what should we do to make it a clearer output? Clarity beats creativity. Give clear instructions, give context like a movie scene, force a structure, define the tone, add constraints, and show examples. This way we can get tools like Claude and ChatGPT to give us the best results. But we are humans, and many a time we also don't know what we are looking for to its depth. So when you type in something to Claude, most of the time you yourself have full clarity on it. So you have an idea, you have a feeling, but the exact goal, the exact context, the exact output, it's all jumbled in your head. And when you give it, the result that comes out is a big gamble. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, mostly it is bad. But what if Claude prompts you to give the best output? It coaches you, it challenges you, and guides you in clearing out your thoughts and creating the best input. And when you give the best input, you automatically get the best output. But how exactly that can happen? This can happen when you give one instructions to Claude. I have placed this instruction inside my Claude as a system level instruction. And then every single conversation that I have with Claude, it follows this rule. And this way, every conversation I have gives the best output. Want to know what that instruction is? Here we go. Pause this video and take a clear screenshot of this file because this is what you will be pasting inside your Claude system to get the best output. Let me walk you through what exactly is included. For any task, they are asking you following things: goal, context, action, and output. And plus they are asking you questions regarding the problem so that you go deep into what exactly you want from Claude and it answers you. Plus, please keep your attention on the last line. Don't always agree with me. We are asking Claude to not always agree with me, but actually coach you and challenge you so that you get the best results and not just end result. So even if you are not an expert in those topics, you are making Claude to ask you such questions that you get the best output. That's the power of this context. Now you need to take that system prompt that I gave you and paste it here. Go to your profile section, go to settings. Then you will find instructions for Claude. Here you need to paste like I have done for any task that you are providing. This, make sure this, don't ask this. So that's what you need to do. Paste it here, and from next time onwards, when you have any questions, Claude will be helping out. Let me show you some examples and show you the power what this instruction, simple instructions had given for me, and you can follow it the same. Let's do it live, then we'll be I will be showing you some examples more. Like this is the post I'm asking. I have jumbled thoughts. I want to write about a post why coaches waste money on ads. They don't have proper funnel, keep changing things. They don't trust the process, some mindset and plus strategy too. I'm not clear exactly what I want. I have even said I want LinkedIn posts, then I want emails. I'm literally confused. So these are all the jumbled thoughts you might also have. So how can I get the best output? Let's see after putting that instructions what it gives me. It's all happening live. Watch it. It is thinking time, but let me ask you a few questions before we deep dive into output it actually hits. So it start asking you questions. Clear LinkedIn post plus email version will make sure I understand the angle you want to leave with. So it is asking me few questions. Core argument. Who is the villain here? Do you have a specific story or example? CTA, tone. Answer this and we'll be building something that sound like every other marketer. That doesn't sound like every other marketer. So they have asked me questions and I need to now answer it and they will be showing me what exactly it is happening there. Now let me give you some examples of what we did. In this, I have posted a YouTube video that I had scripted out. So now I thought that they have more than one video it is present in this YouTube script. So I asked, give me what topics are there, how many topics I can cover. So now it is asking me to deep dive. It is asking me goal, context, action, and output. Plus one quick question to answer your core question. I'm also asking this question. I'm giving them the assumption that I have and they're replying to me if it is wrong, if it is right. Then similarly in this next video, them some format that I need a YouTube structure for this. Then it is asking me goal, context, action. Creating the structure for this video. Then I give him the topic, give him the information. It is doing the same thing, asking me. Then it is giving me suggestions. You can present it like this. You can present it like that. Now, if then I've answered it before I build out, it asks more few questions. If it till it's not satisfied, it is asking a question. One last thing before. So Claude is actually prompting me to give the best input, to asking me questions so that the output that it gives me is the best and it doesn't lack anyway. As you can see what is happening here, it is asking me questions to give the best output. It is giving me its suggestion. It is giving me direction how I should think about it. That's how you make sure that Claudes give you the best output and not just the generic one that you desire. Now here's how you can take this one step further. This framework of GCAO already makes Claude a thinking and execution partner, and it is coaching you and challenging you at the same time. But imagine if a partner who exactly knows what is your business, who you are, how you can help the audience, your story, your voice, your audience to its core. If a partner can understand that, how great the input will become, how great the questions will become from their end, right? The output you will get will be more refined with your frameworks, with your voice, with your way of thinking. And that's what Claude Project does. To enhance this context, the GCAO framework and the output, you can start using Claude Projects. Plus, it also helps you would have seen Claude expires easily. So when you start using these projects, it retains the chats that is happening in different versions, different chats, and you can cross-reference it and get the best results. Now, what is this Claude project and how you can set it up? Let me show you. We had taken this post of exactly what I want. So it asks me 4 questions. Now I've already created a project for myself. Let me show you the output that it gives so that you understand how Claude Project is an enhancer to this prompt, and then we'll create your project, how you can create it and how you can get the best input. Like this is my project that I created. I've just pasted that exact same thing. It has context about my business. It has context about me. It has all the context. Now let's see. It is taking time. It is taking time means it's thinking. It is actually going through my knowledge bases. It is going through my instructions of what exactly to do, and it is then giving me. The aim is to educate coaches about why their ads fail, so they trust systems and funnels, or is there more of a positioning post for a done for you service? It now it knows that I have a done for you service. So it is asking me, is it to positioning post or it is to attract leads? It is asking me for the context. I've uploaded my customer avatar. I've given it to customer avatar. So it is asking me what it is for. Avatar 1, avatar 2. The actions you mentioned, mindset plus strategy angle. Should this be one unified post or do you want to separate them? The questions are more specific. Output for LinkedIn, what should be the length? Short punchy post, or for email, should it be standalone nurtured email or a direct pitch email? It is asking me questions with context and letting me know how I should move forward. But in previous one, as you had asked, it has asked me more questions as it doesn't have a context for me. It is how you know Claude Projects enhances this output, and that's why you need to create a project. Now, how do you do that? When you open your Claude, will be the UI that you will see. Here you can see below chats, you can find your project section. Now you need to do is new project. Let's say I'm giving it marriage coach. Let's see. Then you are creating a project. What you need to do next, you need to give them the custom instructions. You need to upload files and you need to start conversing with this project. Plus C, start a chat and keep conversation organized and reuse project knowledge. The chats that you have here, it will have its own memory and you can cross-reference it across chats. Now, what instructions you need to give him? Just paste that post of goal context in here. Then comes the files. This files is your knowledge base that you will be creating, where you need to post multiple things: your story bank, your customer avatar, details about your coaching business, plus transcripts of your YouTube video, maybe a post you have written. All this will give Claude more context about you, your business, your way of doing things, and the output it will create, it will give you the best one. And this is all one-time setup. And after this, every conversation you do inside project starts with Claude already knowing your business, and the output is more specific to you. We will go more in depth in Claude projects and all other skills of Claude in the upcoming video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you don't miss out. Now, this Claude projects acts as a permanent memory that can refer to its conversation along with the knowledge base. You don't need to give it instructions again and again. As a result, you save credits too. This way, you stop wasting money and time on prompts that give you hollow outputs and actually get Claude to question you, coach you, challenge you, and get you to the best output that you desire. Your action plan after this video is take the instructions, paste it inside Claude. You can do the same in project as well. Upload all your knowledge bases that you have, and then start interacting with it. Ask them a simple question, dump all your jumble words, dump all your jumble thoughts into the chat and see what output or what questions it is asking me. Do try and paste that in the maybe comment. I'll be reading it and I'll be knowing you have actually taken the action, and it will be a great fun exercise. If you found this video useful, subscribe to this channel, as next we are bringing in more videos like such for non-technical coaches who are not such great with AI advancements and all, and we'll be taking you to this journey of AI, becoming AI ready and growing your coaching business. So see you in the next video. Thank you.